Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back doing another video for my YouTube, and I did a total of 3 trades today. First time I had a loser in quite some time. As I always maintain, make sure you keep your losers small, and so that you end up with a profitable day. Again, you can see I still ended up profitable. So I'm using my latest system called the Super Trigger. Love trading with it. So we'll continue with the recap. I'll show you the loser first, which is Euro Yen. I thought when it broke the bottom over here it was going to keep going down, but the market is very random, and every once in a while even I have a loser. So I took the trade right here, and then for reasons I was looking at it and I didn't feel comfortable, so I closed the trade with a 4 pip loss. So 4 pips here worked out to a little over $500 I lost. It gave a little bit of a pushback here. I could have got out with maybe 1 pip, but I decided to close the trade, and looks like I was correct. The market's very random, and on a lot of pairs today, right around this time, it shot up like this, so going against the trend. Exactly the way I teach how to trade the AO, the awesome oscillator, but sometimes it hits either some news or some very strong support, and then it just does a reversal, and there's nothing you can do about it. It's very random. So let's take a look at the Euro Aussie here. And on the Euro Aussie, as you can see down at the bottom here, I bought it. So I bought it right here, and it didn't do a big move, but I finally decided to close the trade with about 8 pips here. I was hoping for it to keep going, but it's just the way the market's moving today. So I ended up with 8 pips there. I can live with that. It's better than losing. And of course the other pair where I made the most number of pips was the pound dollar, which is right here. And on the pound dollar I sold it. I sold it right here approximately. Went a little bit against me, only 9 pips, and I decided to close it out here with 16 pips. So if you do the math, 16 and 8 minus the 4, that works out to 20 pips, and 20 pips turns into $2,524. So I'm very happy with that. It took a while to complete. Got the timing a little bit off, but that's okay. You will find many times you'll think one way and then the timing is just a little bit off. But as long as you end up profitable every day, you will be making pips and money by the end of the month. So if your system is not producing profits and pips every day like my system is producing, all you got to do is get in touch with me, and we can talk about how you can get your hands on it. All you got to do is look right below this video, and you'll see a write-up similar to this Word document. It's a PIP Trigger full package. I do charge $250 for. There's well over 20 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy installed onto your MT4 platform. Now there's 12 versions of my PIP Trigger. Works out to about $20 a system right here, and there are 15 MT4 templates along with 21 custom indicators, and there are 4 meters. These are all bonus stuff I'm giving along with this 20 bonus videos. Now for you traders who like to read, I give a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents. And don't forget the $1 Million Trade Plan. That's where you only do 1 trade a day. All you need is 10 pips. And in doing so, you can take a $1,000 account, and at the end of 10 months you turn that into $1 million. I explained it in detail here. You do have to be a pretty good trader to pull this trick. 10 pips might not seem very much, and at least for me it's not very much. As you can see, today I got another 20 pips. If I can get 20 to 30 pips a day, I'm happy with that. So now there are a lot of training videos. There's 360, and there's a lot of ways to trade here. You can put it on pause. I teach many different ways to trade, especially trading around the news, either before or after the news. There's a lot of videos on that. And if you have any questions about my systems or the $1 Million Trade Plan, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me right here. If you live too far, just send me an email. And I do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on this link. It's right below the video, and it'll make a connection between my Skype and your Skype. And if you do so, I'll give you a free session. Usually lasts about 45 minutes. I will answer your questions, and it'll certainly help your trading. So anyhow, I do believe that just about wraps up this video on this Friday. And if you have any questions, just get in contact. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, until the next trade, happy trading.